2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Crazy plum purple. I love this color. It's always beautiful on these cars. What it's got, stock converters there and there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back into a factory X pipe. Then what we put on it is we deleted the mids and put some DYNOMAX race bullets there and there. Look at them wells, beautiful. 3-inch pipe behind them, there and there. Then we left the rears on it. He didn't want it too loud, but I'm gonna try to convince him to come back and cut those off. Because why not? And it's still got the valves in it, so make sure you keep the valves on these because it plays a big role in the transmission. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. There's the two we cut off in the middle, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Amazing what those little things do. That sounds so good. Sound decibels. Again. They peaked at like 10. Go ahead and back it up. Get the phone. You got it right. But grab me the other one, please. So good. They never, ever don't sound good. They always sound so good. Oh, it sounds beautiful. Let you guys hear on the inside. Around there. Okay. Challenger Scat Pack.